Dear students, I am Dr. Sugna Basavaraj, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College for Women, Raichur. We shall discuss the first module of the retail management subject, Introduction to the Retailing. The contents are introduction, origin, meaning, characteristics of retailer and evolution of retailing. Let us have introduction. The aim of every business activity is to make profit through sales and to satisfy human wants through supplying goods and services. The objective of marketing is accomplished when goods transfer to ultimate consumption center. There are various marketing activities involved in the process. There are many channels of distribution of goods and services, that is producer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, then ultimate consumer. Producer or wholesaler cannot meet consumer directly. Therefore, a middleman is engaged in the wholesale to consumer reach out. Hence, there is a need to have a retailer in the business network. Retailing is a significant activity in the marketing system. Therefore, retail management is emerged as most vital part of the market management. Now we shall come to that origin of the term retail. The word term retail originated from the old French verb tailor, meaning to cut off, clip, pare, divide in terms of tailoring. It was first recorded as a noun in 1433 with meaning of a sale in small quantities. Meaning of retail. Retail refers any process of selling consumer goods or services to consumer through multiple channels of distribution to earn a profit. Retailer satisfies demand identified through supply chain. Now coming to meaning of retailer. Retailer is a person who sells goods to the public in relatively small quantities for use or consumption rather than for resale. Now, definition of retailing according to Philip Kotler. Retailing includes all the activities involved in selling goods or services to the final consumer for personal non-business use. To conclude, it can be said that retailing is the final step in the distribution of merchandise for consumption by the end consumer. Meaning of retail management. The various processes which help the consumer to procure the desired merchandise from the retail stores for their end use refer to retail management. Retail management includes all the steps required to bring the customers into the stores and fulfill their buying needs. We shall discuss characteristics of a retailer. A retailer buys goods from the wholesaler or from the manufacturer and sells them to ultimate consumer. In the entire distribution chain, a retailer is considered to be the final link who deals directly with the customer. Retailer sells goods to consumer in small quantities for their consumption, not for resale. A retailer essentially maintains a variety of merchandise. The aim of a retailer is to achieve maximum satisfaction by exceeding their expectations and delivering exceptional services. Now, we shall have the introduction of this evolution of retailing. Retailing evolved from the traditional format to emerging format. Traditional formats had hawkers, melas, mandis in rural areas that has been established in the formats like kirana stores, convenience store, departmental stores, PDS and fair price shops, and now that is unorganized to organized sector, emerging formats, executive retail outlets, hypermarkets, internal retails, malls, specialty malls and Walmarts are the example for the organized retail sector. Following are the steps are the evolution of retailing. Barter system was known as the first form of retail. It is nothing but a goods to goods exchange system. As time passed, currency was exchanged with goods and services. Hawkers carried out of the first retailing in bush carts, followed by kirana stores, mom and pop-up stores. Finally, manufacturing era necessitates small store. It was seller market. Still than the small stores and specialty stores, barter chain to single branded franchise chain to standalone large store to chain of large store and final malls. So from this session, we'll come to the conclusion that retailer is an individual person who directly sells goods to the consumer in the smaller quantities and is satisfy needs of the customer. Retailing is the vital business activity in the marketing process. Study of retailers' characteristics features are essential to conduct retail business. Retail business evolved from hats to malls, from unorganized to organized retail sector. Thank you.